I believe and I know this marriage will be a successful one. No, I'm not praying. It is a reality, because when something is a reality, you don't pray. I know. Well, why do I know? It's not because we don't want God to make it so. Because I do know that the couple have made it so. I know that the couple have made it so. When you see a marriage that will work, you will know from the couple whether this marriage will work or not. Today is 28th, tomorrow is 29th, is it not? They are fixing marriage. Tomorrow a working day, is it not? That tells you it's a marriage plan by them. If it's a marriage plan by our people, their mothers and their fathers, it will be weekend. So who and who is who in Nigeria will not true. But tomorrow is a working day. And understand that look, we don't have time for this Saturday, this and that and that. Let's do this and move on. That is couple in charge of their marriage, not parents in charge of their marriage. The man should take responsibility of his marriage and wife. And that is why I like this young man so much. You don't know. From far, I called him yesterday. I said, give me the background. He told me this man works here, works here. What about your sister? He said, I said, fine. That's supposed to be. That is the way it's supposed to be. This is not a marriage where your in-laws, this is not a marriage where your parents are solely responsible. It's a marriage, two of you have said this is how you want it, this is how you want it, and that is how it has been. And that is to show you are prepared to marry, and you are prepared to be husband and wife. And I'm happy the way I've seen two of you. But one thing I will tell you, my sister, leave whatever you live. And that is the truth of the matter. So it's not how you read whatever you say. Your husband is your husband. Don't allow anybody to tell you, look, you had a first class. You're an accountant. My sister, that is what you eat, food. First class, chartered accountant, put it down there in the office. Those you are working for, so they can pay you better. Do you understand me? When you enter home, my children, accountant, he your black and he might be a first class holder, a chartered accountant. He says, like I will, if that guy will, Messiah, they can tell you the truth. It's not everything you see, you will look into for your marriage to survive. People, most people are not that you are married. It's easy to get you hook onto. It's not to get a woman you will hook onto. So you must know that now you have said you are married. It is forever. Do you understand me? It is forever. I was there when he told you go Chima. You have done. You know one thing. One thing showed me today that look, I will sign check and return the money if that shows you have capacity. That shows you are prepared to marry. You are prepared. You are prepared to marry, and that's what's important. Marriage is not that you must be able to. My brother, let me also tell you, no man. If anybody tells you Love, 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 love. Let me tell you. It is your responsibility to take care of her. You lose your being a man when you cannot, from week to month, and provide money for the house. Manhood, let me tell you, people who fail, who do not understand the definition of man. People are talking about manhood as sleeping. No. To be a man is that you have to take care of the basic responsibility. Family. If you cannot, it will not work. Another one, don't allow your two mothers. Let them stay in their husband places. They should not be visiting you up and down. Chinwe has said, I want to travel. Chinwe has said, Haba. Obede, the stomach is running. I want to go. Madam, stay house. You take care of the stomach. Because when they are always frequenting this, problems will come. Problems will come. That does not mean that their in-laws will not. So it is what I'm telling you here is what will keep you going. Future is what two of you want. What do we want? How do we want to move? Where do we want to end? Is key. So, my brother and sister, congrats. God will bless you. And I can tell you, this has been a very fruitful marriage. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.